Hey, what's up guys? So today we are going to be wrapping my Honda Accord emblem in the back. So I used to have this red Type R Honda Accord emblem. I didn't like it, it's a little bit smaller and didn't really fit well, so taking that off. So I'm going to be wrapping this in gold carbon fiber. And I already went ahead and cleaned this emblem already, so it's ready to go. So let's get started. Alright, just scooch it down. Okay, so after you're done with rounding off the corners, just want to make sure you go over around all the corners with heat. Alright, and there we have it. It's kind of messed up in the back. I kind of put some tape on here because it doesn't really hold up well in the back here. I don't know why. So I just put a little tape to hold it down. And that's it. That's how it looks. Final product. I'm gonna put it on the car now.